I think what's really important is that we look beyond the headlines that we're seeing. Of course, there's some really terrible things that are happening, and there's no question that the financial institutions can do better in terms of their compliance. But I think we need to look at the bigger picture too. So there's a lot more stakeholders that are part of this entire process. And I think if we looked close enough, there's weaknesses in each of those links. And really, I suppose, until we close off those weaknesses, we're not really going to get to a place where we're adequately addressing financial crime issues.
What happens next with regards to government intervention? What needs to happen in the short term?
Sure, I mean, we've seen some of that already. So certainly in advance of the leaks coming to light, we've seen some activity from the US regulators, extending AML requirements to a number of different financial institutions that weren't previously entirely in scope. There's also some consultations that have kicked off in looking at how we can increase the effectiveness in AML regimes. We've got AML reform proposals that are already underway in the EU in particular. And just last week, likely in response to the expected output of the leaks, we saw a number of UK institutions looking to close some of the verification issues that a lot of us knew existed within, for example, companies' registry verification. So already we've seen some activity, and absolutely we're going to continue to see more, much like we did after the previous scandals and indeed the financial crash. An increase in regulatory activity, and certainly an increase in the expectations too. So no doubt there's going to be a lot of impact over the next few months and years.